If you just updated to iOS 26 and your photo gallery feels totally different, don't worry. Apple redesigned the Photos app, layout, and features, which can feel confusing at times. Let's break down exactly what changed and how to get used to it. So, what's new with the iOS 26 photo gallery? The new gallery design focuses more on your memories, highlights, and AI-generated collections. The Photos Library tab now automatically groups your photos into smarter categories like people, places, and events. The Collection tab is more personalized, showing curated highlights and effects made by your device's AI. Navigation tabs at the bottom are redesigned, sometimes combining albums and search for quicker access. The reason it feels so different is because Apple wants to make it easier to rediscover your best photos without manually sorting. Albums and photos might be recognized, which changes how you used to browse in the iOS 18. So let's learn how to navigate the new gallery easily. First, tap Library to see your photos sorted by date. Scroll through moments, days, months, or years. Now tap the search icon. Use the Search tab to find photos by location, object, or person using AI recognition. Visit Albums for your manually created folders or device albums. Now let's go back a bit and see the Collections page. Here you will still find your pinned photos, albums, people, shared albums, and featured photos organized in a different style, but still resembling the old way. You can still create your own albums and add photos manually. That part hasn't changed. So guys, I hope you found this video informative. The rest is up to you to enjoy and personalize your Photos app to your liking. It will take a bit of time to get used to it, but it will eventually feel like home. Anyway, hit the like button if you liked the video and subscribe for more interesting tips on your iPhone. See you in the next video.